G'day, g'day. Tragedy has struck the washing dishes team. I don't know, with the cast and crew, everyone's getting sick from our last trip to Lake whatever it was. We've just been huddled up. There's been a lot of vomiting. We're staying here at Bendigo something or other. Just trying to stay near a toilet. We've got everything we need. We've got hot dogs, we've got donuts. Hasn't all been tragedy though. When I get home, I'll be able to use my new La Cucaracha air horn to cheer myself up. Maybe I'll make an air horn gun, La Cucaracha gun. I don't have the strength to do that right now. Anyway, let's look at these dishes. We got not a lot of solids. We've been eating yogurt. Put that in. Cigarette butt. That's not. It's 2 cigarette butts here. They're not mine. I'm not going to get any healthier washing dishes on cigarettes. Coffee. That's before we realised how sick we were. We thought that coffee would help. We went to the pool. That was pretty exciting. The whole of Bendigo was shut down for a parade, so we got the pool to ourselves. But not even a trip to the pool could fix it. Splish splash. Let's get washing. Wish us luck. Hooroo.